If ICE takes me, my child will end up in foster care. I'm afraid that if I'm detained, I'll lose my parental rights forever. If you've had these thoughts, I need you to listen carefully because you do have options. Deportation does not automatically mean you lose custody, but you must take action right now to protect your child. In this video, I'll tell you exactly what steps to take before it's too late. Question number 1. What happens to my child if I am detained or deported? The short answer, it really depends on what you do right now. If the other parent has custody, they will likely take over full custody. But if they're unfit, you may need to create a legal backup plan. Now, if you have sole custody, the court may appoint a guardian if you do not have legal documents in place. If no one steps forward, your child could enter the foster care system. Do not let that happen. There are legal steps you can take today to make sure your child is protected. Question number 2. How can I protect my child if I am deported? If you are undocumented, you must have a legal safety net. And here's what you should do right now. For legal guardianship is where you can choose a legal guardian who can take custody if necessary. You should also create an emergency contact plan. Make sure your child knows who to call and where to go if something happens to you. Hold on to your custody orders. So you need to ensure that you have all official documentation proving you are the custodial parent for your child. If you don't have these protections in place, the court, not you, will decide what happens to your child. So the key takeaway, the best way to protect your child is to plan now. Do not wait until it's too late. Question number 3. Can my child help me stay in the United States? If your child is a U.S. citizen, you may have legal options to stay in the country. However, you must seek the advice of an experienced immigration attorney. There is something called Special Immigrant Juvenile Status, SIJS, that may be relevant to you. If your child has been abused, neglected, or abandoned by the other parent, they may qualify for Special Immigrant Juvenile Status. This may eventually help you gain legal status in the United States. Also, parental hardship waivers. If deporting you would cause extreme hardship to you and your U.S.-born child, you may qualify for a waiver to stay in the country. But make sure you talk to an experienced immigration attorney about these specific issues. Bottom line, you have options, but you need to act fast. There are legal paths to stay in the U.S., but you need to speak with a lawyer to explore them. Do not wait until ICE shows up at your door. Do not let the government decide what happens to your child. Call me today for a confidential consultation at 856-359-5222. Let's make sure your child is protected no matter what happens. Click below to download my free custody survival guide. It will show you exactly what steps to take to create a legal safety net for your child. And coming up in part 5, can undocumented parents enforce their custody rights in New Jersey family courts? What if your ex refuses to let you see your child? We'll get to talk about that next and how to fight back.